Hey guys, we received this Arshiner boys casual active tracksuit for test and try. It's a full zip sports jogging suit sets. So let me just open this and show. This is for our 5 to 13-year-old boys, and let me just open up this. So first impression is a nice soft cloth. It's a tracksuit, so sweatproof type of active look, and then a really nice stripe. So the color and the design is good with this zipper thing, and you can see with the hand stuff with the one big broad line. So this is the bottom with the again the active tracksuit look, and nice elastic set and a broad line white on the side. So after wearing, you can see like the kids like it. The fits really well, and you like that the side one, the stripe design, the collar. So a nice comfortable fit, and has a great like with the pocket and things. So comfortable, nice, great look fit for a tracksuit.